Yeah, and then put it in. Yep, stick it in there, yeah. Alright. We're gonna go to the range. Gonna have some sweet range time. It's gonna be good. Oh yeah. It's gonna be really good.
You are putting in an empty magazine.
You're right. What? This one's empty too.
What are you going to do?
Tabrak, there's only one solution for this problem. We have to go to the gun store and buy more ammo.
Let's go.
Let's go.
आज हम बैठे हैं माइल्स के साथ और उसने एम्यूनेशन लेना है और माइल्स सिलाह रिपोर्ट चलाते हैं जिसके बारे में आप गन्स के बारे में अगर आपको पता चलाना हो बड़ी एक मशहूर वेबसाइट है और ये आज हम लेके जाएंगे गन स्टोर पे और गन्स किस तरह अमेरिका में ली जाती हैं और क्या उनका तरीक़ाकार होता है।
Bro, we gotta go to the gas station. I gotta go. Go, just go, go.
माइल्स के असल में मसलो आहे इन खे टोबैको ते खाइणो आहे so he needs this and he can't tell about it because her girlfriend is in the car. टोबैको वठी आयो मुड़ियो कोन हाणे वो तबाह कयूं कीअं हिन जी गर्लफ्रेंड पासे ते बीठी त हिन चयोसीं हेॾे होॾे करे पोइ यार वई हेॾे होॾे त वरी असां कुंड सां वेठा Yo, where is the tobacco?
Here. Tobacco's right here.
Never had it. How do you do it?
Oh, I'll show you. First we need our spitter. And
So this has a function, right?
yes, it does.
And hey, na vattu achu jo tukku kide piti kandu. Tukku ena piti kandu.
So, pop this open.
Okay. But hang on. First you need to show me how to do it.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
you have to put this in between your middle
Yeah.
finger and your thumb. And then this finger,
Yeah.
you're going to slap it. Like that. Like this. It looks very simple, but it's not. It's not simple at all. It's a little difficult to learn. Try it.
Like this.
Yep, like that. But you're right-handed. So do it with your right
I'm
hand.
left-handed.
Oh, you're left-handed. Okay, then do it with your left hand. Okay, like that. Yeah. It's difficult. You have to let it hit it. Yep.
Like this?
Yep. Yeah, like that, but that's not hard enough. Yep.
And what it does, it puts all the tobacco on one side.
Compacts it.
Yeah.
Yep. That's correct. So, like that.
ये सही खफ्ती है इनन कमन में.
Alright. So then we push it here. And then lift it up.
Yeah.
And then we have to take a bit with our two fingers. Nice and tight. Like this. And you have to put it now between your teeth and your cheek.
This is like naswa.
It's exactly like Naswa.
पठान असां ॾाढा ख़ुशि थींदा आहिनि इन ॻाल्हि ते.
So, well, yeah,
So like take it a piece of it.
a little
Like
more.
this.
A little more.
I'm not that expert.
It's okay.
Like this.
That's okay. Yeah, and then put it in. Yep, stick it in there, yeah. But you cannot swallow. You cannot swallow. You have to spit. Just like that.
हाणे ॿुधाए थो अमेरिकन कल्चर में अहिड़ो छा आहे हिन टोबैको सां ऐं टोबैको हूअं बि अमेरिका जी फ़सुलु आहे हितां निकितो पोइ सॼे दुनिया में जीअं अमेरिका दरियाफ़्त थी So I'm talking about the discovery of America, and tobacco was a native product. And then now in the popular American culture, what does it signify?
Well, a lot of young American guys like to do it. American women don't really do it at all.
Why?
It's kind of disgusting. I don't know, it's very... There is a stigmatism against women doing it, but a lot of young guys do it. Especially in the rural areas, not inside the city, but in the rural areas like farm boys, country boys, they like to do it.
चए थो ॻोठाणा माण्हू ख़ासि तौर ते छोकिरा उहे पसंदि कंदा इन शइ करण में औरतूं कोन कंदियूं आहिनि उन्हनि जे मतिलबु उन्हनि खे सही कोन सम्झो ईंदो आहे एतिरो बाक़ी छोकिरा उहो बि ॻोठाणे इलाइक़नि में शहरनि में न शहरनि में they do the vape. So this vape thing is
the vape.
Yeah,
but this is not vape.
Yeah, this is not vape. So it's kind of this alternative. And in the cities they do marijuana, weed, and those things.
Well, this is not illegal. The tobacco, chewing tobacco is not illegal at all. It's completely 100% legal. You just have to be over 18.
And then what else does it signify?
Well, usually it's a lot of guys like to do it. It's just like, you know, a sort of a symbol of like being a man kind of thing. Like, you know, you put a dip in like that, sort of solidifies your place in your little society. If you're going hunting or if you're on a tractor or if you're at a party or something, it's a popular thing to do. It's a social thing to do too. A bunch of guys will get together, all share a dip or something like that. And usually you'll do it at long periods of time where you're just standing. So maybe if you have a job where you're just doing basic, you know, back-breaking work all day or something, you just throw in a dip. It's easier than a cigarette because you can still work while having a dip in. Most of the time with a cigarette, you have to take a cigarette break. You don't have to take a break with tobacco.
So आम तौर ते माना त पार्टीज़ में वञो या को छोकिरो मर्द थियण जी कोशिशि कंदो आहे या माना मुर्सी में या को पाण में गॾिया वेठा वञनि था हंटिंग करण उन में पोइ इहो पाण सां गॾु खयूं घुमंदा आहिनि पोइ कंदा आहिनि मज़ो ईंदो अथनि. And what political implications does it have, like in identity?
In identity politics, usually people are more conservative, who are more rural, conservative. You know, they have guns, they hunt, they join the military, that sort of thing. Those kinds of boys, those kinds of kids will be dipping a lot. And you'll see dip advertisements for these brands in, you know, gun magazines, in hunting magazines, in, you know, places in the South. You'll see that.
शायद मतलब हे जेको आहे न इहो आइडेंटिटी शनाख़्त जे हिसाब सां आम तौर ते ॻोठिया माण्हू ऐं कंज़र्वेटिव जेके मिलिट्री जॉइन कंदा आहिनि या हंटिंग करणु वेंदा आहिनि उन्हनि मैगज़ीन्स में उन्हनि जी ॼण शनाख़्त में थोरो इहो आहे शहरी माण्हू ऐं ॿिया जेके उहे थोरो ॿिए क़िस्म जी उन्हनि जी शनाख़्त हूंदी आहे त हे माना शनाख़्त जी बि अलामत आहे हिकिड़े हिसाब सां. मूंखे इहो करणु कोन आयो ईअं गले में हिते अंदरि वञी पियो आहे हे वॾो खफ़्ती आहे हिननि कमनि में हाणे वञो था हिन लाइ बंदूक या कारतूस खां वठण. वरी जो हेॾे ॾिसूं त इहा इहो स्कूटर खणी आई जेको वॾो मशहूरु थियो अॼुकल्ह ऐं मूंखे बि लॻो त मां बि इहो सिखां कीअं हलाइबो आहे और असां ॿिन्ही वेही इहो सिखियोसीं.
Oi, break! No.
Okay, got 6 years. What?
You just used the brake.
Yeah, I used to. This is fun. I should sign up.
Wait, let me see how fast I can go around this
square. स्कूटर मां हथ कढियासीं न ॿी धोरा अची बीह रही पर उन जे हथ विधसि स्कूटर मां. इहो स्कूटर ईअं आहे जो हिते माना मोबाइल ते पंहिंजो पाण खणो हिनखे वरी जिथे हलायो फिटी कयो त वरी ॿियो माण्हू अची खणे ऐं वॾो मज़े वारो कमु हो.
Buy some ammo.
Yeah.
We're gonna go buy some bullets.
Which one is an American pistol?
American designs.
Yeah. How do you know if a pistol is American?
Well, this one's American.
How?
It was designed, it's based on an American design from the 1920s. You can tell by the style of the action and the slide lock and the caliber there. This is American, based off, it's a Ruger Mark II.
Is this a second World War?
No, not at all. This is recent manufacture. So this one, people will tell you it might be American, but it's not. It's actually made in Croatia. Some of it's made in America as well, but more importantly, the design is actually Croatian, and then this company actually bought the design. And then over here is Austrian, and then this is from Belgium. So you've got Belgian, Austrian, Croatian, American, German, and then another American. And this is a very American design though. It's called a Derringer. Derringers were really popular in the late 1800s because they're really small, very reliable, and then you could fit them in your pocket back then. They only fired 2 rounds, but they're sort of the concealed carry pistols from back then. This is a build kit of an AR-15. It's an AR-15 assembled locally.
I would say.
Then how does the licensing go if you are assembling at home?
There is no licensing. You buy it and that's it, because this is America.
मुझे इन पुछण ते त या बंदूक एॾी रखे थो सघी या घर मुंहिंजे दोस्त ॿुधायो त हिते अमेरिका में सेकेंड अमेंडमेंट पास थी 1789 में जंहिंमें हर फ़र्द खे हक़ ॾिनो पियो त उहो बंदूक रखे थो सघे पंहिंजे दिफ़ा लाइ ऐं लाइसेंस जी का ज़रूरत न आहे हुनखे ऐं ख़ासि तौर ते लाइसेंस जी उन करे ज़रूरत न आहे छो लाइसेंस वरी केरु ॾींदो हुकूमत ॾींदी ऐं हुकूमत ई आम तौर ते अमेरिकन सम्झंदा आहिनि त अॻिते हली जबर करे थी सघे त हुकूमत खे हमेशह नंढे में नंढो रखण जी कोशिशि कंदा लोकल लेवल ते या फ़र्द खे आज़ादी त हुकूमत जीअं वॾी न थी वञे ऐं जबर करणु शुरू करे बंदूकुनि जी दुकान लथासीं दुनिया जहान जूं बंदूकूं गोलियूं पियूं राज सॼो उन में रिझी वियासीं छा ॾिसूं पोइ वरी वक़्तु वॾो पियो थिए चयो मां त हाणे खण पंहिंजूं कारतूस हलूं
This has 20 rounds.
How do you feel getting your ammo?
Yay! Ammo! Thank you for the ammo, Matt! You're welcome. Yay! All this is gonna miss. I'm so sorry.
Why do you have these hippie stickers and like a teenage girl?
Because it's to make people think that this isn't what it is. It's to camouflage it so I can go through places. So the hippie people will think that it's, oh, hippie, he's probably got a guitar in there. But when I bring the gun out, they'll be like, wait, that doesn't make sense. And then the gun people will see it and they won't understand it either. So it's really just to mind fuck everybody. The gun people and the hippie people.
We are taking this out for hunting tonight?
Yeah, we're gonna hunt some communists.